Let us go with a quick template. Okay. Please go ahead, create a resource. You can search for at the top of the screen, we have a search bar there. You can type template. Yes, templates is already there. And down below marketplace, we have template deployment. Please select that.
This one, deploy using custom template?
That's correct.
Okay.
Okay, let us go with Windows virtual machine. Let two participants perform each one of you one lab exercise. Let us go with the Windows virtual machine first. Okay. And what is that we are doing? We are hosting a Windows web server. We are creating a virtual machine. In that virtual machine, we are going to install IIS server, web server, and we will create a sample web page. All right. Let us
create a new group.
Yes, please create a new group.
Okay. So shall I give it?
Okay, Windows web server something. Okay, this is our group. Team, others, you can see my screen, right?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Region, let it be East Asia, or should I change?
Let us go with the East Asia. If that does not work, then we will move on to the next region available. So please provide the admin username. Whatever is the name of your choice, you can provide. Let it not be administrator. Okay, and the password, it should be 12 characters in length. Please remember the password. If you forget the password, yes, okay. Please remember the username and password. Now let us click on review and create.
Okay.
Okay, validation is in progress. Okay, good. The validation is fast, and please click on create. It will host our virtual machine. And this is a basic virtual machine that has got just a Windows 2019 server OS installed, and it does not come with any other additional software installed. So all we need to do is log into this web server and install this IIS server, and then host our web page.
Should I refresh it?
No. It is still getting deployed. It may take another 1 to 2 minutes.
Okay.
Okay, here our virtual machine name is simple VM. It is still getting deployed. It is getting created. So during this stage, what exactly happens? As per the region and availability zone, what we have picked up, or default availability region and availability zone, which is there in that template. In that template, it will create it will pick a host, that is a physical server. In that server, it will create a virtual machine. Okay. And in that virtual machine, it is installing this Windows 2019 server software. Just like you have purchased a laptop or a desktop computer. In that computer, you do not have any operating system. You are inserting a DVD or a CD that has got the Windows operating system, and you are installing. That is what exactly is happening now.
Okay.
With a default configuration setting that has been already set in that template.
Okay. So why it takes so much of time compared to AWS, sir?
It depends from number one, the image, the size of the image. This is 2019 server image. The image what we are using in Azure, 100% it will not be the same image what we use in AWS. In AWS, it is already pre-configured, and most of the features might have been eliminated.
Okay.
It is
Okay.
not included. So depending
Okay.
upon the image size,
Okay.
what are all the components installed, and what is the VM size that we have picked up. That is how fast that VM works. What is the memory capacity? Is it 1 GB or 8 GB
Okay.
or 4 GB? Okay,
Okay.
good. Now the
Right.
I'm sorry.
Deployed, sir.
Yes, it is. It has been deployed now. Please click on go to resource group. Okay, here we have our virtual machine. You can scroll down. You can see the virtual machine name, Simple VM. Right in front of that, it says virtual machine. Correct?
This one?
Yes, that's correct. Please click on that.
Now I have a question here, sir.
Yes.
I had named it as Windows web server, wind_web server.
Okay.
That was the resource.
That was the resource group name.
Correct,
not,
correct. So,
not the
so
virtual
this
machine.
name has been taken automatically?
Correct. It was there. We could have modified or we could have changed.
Oh,
In the next
okay.
lab, I will show you. In the next
Okay.
lab, I will show you where to change this a simple VM to your name of choice.
Okay, okay.
Okay. Now, please click on that name, Simple VM. So here we have the option to click on connect.
First tab. First tab.
Okay, it has got some issue. Let us click on refresh. Wait. It is Simple VM virtual machine agent status is not ready. Click on refresh. Okay, let us exit out. Let us exit out from this screen. Let us come back again. By the time this issue should be fixed on its own. Let us go back to home. Let us navigate from the beginning. Let us click on virtual machines. Here you will see all the virtual machines that are created. On the top, we have virtual machine. The third one. Yes, correct. You can see there are 3 virtual machines that are created. East Asia is what we have created, right?
Yeah, this one, Wind Web Server, the resource
correct,
group.
correct. Yes,
This
please
one.
click on that simple VM. Yes, now please click on connect. Now that error is not there. Click on RDP. Yes, download RDP file. You can save it onto the desktop, wherever. Click on desktop. Yes. Save.
Simple VM of 1.
Yes. Okay, now open that file. Okay, click on connect. Okay, now we'll have to change the username.
Correct.
Okay, now please provide the username and the password. Okay, and the password. Okay. I think once again I need to share.
To improve security, enable just-in-time access on the VM.
Yes, correct.
So will it not work without we activate this?
No, it will. Okay, now
Is
please
it
click on this.
connecting? Oh, okay.
No. No, every time when this pop-up comes, I will have to share it once again. Share the screen, or else you people will not be able to see.
Okay.
Okay. Team, now the virtual machine is up and running.
Yeah.
Okay, now the virtual machine is up and running. It is just a basic virtual machine, basic server. It does not carry any software with it. Correct?
Correct. Correct.
So now we need to convert this virtual machine into a web server where we can host our web pages, where we can create our web pages. Correct?
Correct.
How do we do that? First, let me take you to the file manager. Okay, just give me control. Okay, I will go to File Explorer. I will show you the Drive C folder. We'll see what are all the contents.
Yes. Okay, so we came to server manager.
We came to server manager, add roles and features.
Okay.
Okay, so here it says this wizard will help you install
Correct.
roles and whatever, and
Okay.
click on next.
Okay.
We have a role-based or feature-based installation or a remote desktop service installation. Suppose you want to enable RDP for other users, then we will select this, but our intention is not that. We want to
Correct.
install a web server.
Okay.
So here, what is that you want to do? You want to
Correct.
install a web server pool? Yes. And
Correct.
this is our IP address 10.0.0.4.
Correct.
Click on next. And here we have various softwares, whether you want to install an Active Directory, whether you want to install a DHCP server, DNS server, whatever.
Okay.
Okay. So our lab exercise is related to
web server.
Web server. We want to create a web server. We want to make this virtual machine as a web server.
Correct.
Okay, as a website. Click on next.
Okay.
Again next.
Okay.
Next, and install. That's it.
Okay. No changes. No other selection.
There is no other change.
Okay.
So once this installation is over, you can see here in the drive C, there are no other folders as of now created, correct?
Yeah, 7 items only, correct.
Correct. I'll be keep refreshing. Do you see that
sir.
one more folder came?
Yeah.
Team?
iNet pub.
Yes. So this is the folder in which our web page will be created and hosted. Okay, now the installation has been successfully completed.
Okay.
Okay, so we need not to do anything. We will close this server manager. And this is the folder that has been created, INET pub. And beneath that, we have www root folder. Beneath that, we have one HTML file, that is a HTML document, and one PNG file. Okay. So if we start this file, HTML file, this is our sample web page. Okay, this will be keep bugging. I will eliminate this. I will show you how to eliminate this also. Every time you'll have to keep clicking on add, close, add, close. Okay, this is our sample web page. This web page can be accessed from any place. Okay, so here to make it much simpler, I will edit this.
First.
Yes, I will open with MS Paint.
Okay.
So I will add some text to make sure that it is not the regular page.
Sir, this is my web server.
Yes.
So we can either modify this file, or sir, if can I like have a whole new, like I open a paintbrush blank file.
Yes.
And I insert my own image and I replace that file with this name. Will that?
Yes,
also
of course. Yes,
okay.
Of course.
Okay.
Of course. That is also very much possible.
Okay.
Okay, I will save this file. I'll close this. So next time when I open this web page, so it shows that it is my first web server, correct?
Okay.
So
Yes.
this is accessing directly in the server. I want to access it through the web browser, correct? That is how we access the web pages, right? www.google.com, whatever
Correct.
we give, correct?
Correct.
So I am back to my screen once again. Let me share my screen, computer screen. Okay, this is our web server, correct? That is a virtual machine.
Correct.
So do we see this public IP address?
Oh, no.
20.239.141.20. Everyone,
Yes.
I copy this web web address. I'll open Internet Explorer. I'll give that IP address. It will open my web page. Okay, as of now, we have not enabled the port number port number 80, HTTP port number 80.
Ah,
So that's why it is not giving us access.
okay.
That let us figure out where to do it, how to do it.
Ports.
We have networking.
Mhm.
Do you see this? Port numbers,
Ah, correct.
correct? Add inbound port.
Okay.
Source can be any place. Source port range, I will give, let it be
80.
star, that is anything. Destination, custom, destination port, protocol, any, allow, okay, port number 80 to open web pages. The port is getting created, it is getting added. Okay, now our website is up and running. I will share the public IP address of this virtual machine. Please try opening in your computer. You should be able to see the same web page.
Okay, sir.
That is 104.208.110.140.